Thug Out Entertainment, we here? Thug Out Entertainment, Solange, and entertainment. Yo, what type of games are being played? How's it going down? The shorty put a smile on your face, not a frown. I take you uptown and show you around the compound. If you want it, I got it, I'm ready and down. And ain't things changed, but my drawers and socks, I'm getting doors kicked in. Having wars with cops, I still sustain, maintain the same OG. It's the Solange remix, N-O-R-E.
There is this guy that I'm digging, but I've been looking for, don't know where to begin. We've been talking, not enough, but when we do talk, the things that he says I do not see him, and we talk, there is this vibe between us, I don't wanna stop. So original and so deep, this guy is just like me.
Hey, the shy is something, the shy to be together. No choice of words, I just want time together. Who knows we could really like each other? Give me a chance, I'll change your mind forever. You need someone, you, to clear your mind. I will too, 'cause baby boo,
Okay,
whatever
it's
you,
entertainment, we behind you.
I'd end up really feeling you.
Okay.
He told me I was beautiful, but what if he tells that to every girl he talks to? 'Cause I'm not the only, but I surely wish that I could be. He's what I've been looking for, like no other guy that I know. Because he is so right, I swear I think about him from morning to night.
Shy is something, the
Oh,
shy
from
to be
morning
together.
to
No choice of words, I just
night.
want time together. Who knows we could
Who knows?
really like each other?
What you gonna tell
Give
her?
me a chance,
I'll change your mind.
You need someone, you, to clear your mind.
That's what I will do.
Whoever knew, I'd end up really feeling
I'm only 25. I see I'm feeling like I'm dirty. Hustle hard in the streets, got my fingernails dirty. I'm a veteran, sell medicine to pay the con Edison. Shorty loving my life and feel better than love her when I'm down and out. Oh, even love her when I'm wildin' out. Oh, yeah, she know I'm bugged from the blocks that I be on. And when a brother stressed, she the shoulder that I lean on. They go.
He's got this hypnotizing smile that makes me stop and realize he's good looking. But that is not what attracted me, tacted me so fabulously, matched me to him. And it was his silent persona, how he does what he does, his whole walk, how he talks is true. So maybe we should and we could put all things beside, spend some time, 'cause I'm feeling you.
the shy is something, the shy to be together.
Maybe.
No choice of words, I just want time together.
I just want
Who knows
time
we could
together.
really like each other?
Give me a
Give me a chance, I'll change your mind forever.
Ooh, yeah,
You
yeah.
need someone,
To help you.
to clear your mind. I will too, 'cause baby boo, whoever knew, I'd end up
Really feeling you.
There's this guy that I'm digging.
I'd end up really feeling you.
There is this guy that I'm digging.
I'd end up
They really digging you.
There is this guy that I'm digging.
I'd end up really feeling you.
There is this guy I'm digging.
Yeah, off the nuts, me get heard around the way for the other ball. Keep it a percolator, percolator. Underdig that, keep it crackling. Yeah,
Who'd
entertainment.
ever thought that
Solange.
I
Music world.